is one of the top real estate agencies, excelling in buying, selling, renting, and leasing properties in and around Adya. We provide quality advice to our esteemed customers, updating them on the latest market conditions to help them make informed decisions. We guide customers through the entire process, from property selection to completing registration formalities. We regularly advertise our premium customers' real estate requirements on our website and social media for quick conversions. If you have a property that meets our needs, please contact us at the earliest. Welcome. Let's visit this stunning 5 BHK north-facing independent villa for sale in Wood Creek County, IS Colony, Manpakkam, Nandambakkam, Chennai. The land area is around 3,000 square feet with a built-up area of 2,900 square feet. Welcome home to an inviting entrance that sets the tone for elegance and warmth. Imagine stepping into a living hall that's both expansive and inviting. The room opens up with high ceilings and large windows, allowing plenty of natural light to flood the space. The living area flows seamlessly into the dining area, which is perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. There's also a designated puja area, thoughtfully integrated into the design, creating a serene and dedicated space for prayer or meditation. The abundant ventilation keeps the air fresh, and the lighting is both ample and adjustable, setting the perfect mood for any occasion. Picture a kitchen that's both stylish and highly functional. It's spacious with plenty of counter space and storage, making it a dream for both everyday cooking and special culinary projects. The layout is efficient, featuring modern appliances that blend seamlessly into the design. There's ample lighting, ensuring every corner is well lit, and ventilation is top-notch, keeping the air fresh and free from cooking odors. Envision a spacious master bedroom with plenty of natural light, soothing colors, and adjustable lighting. It includes ample storage and a cozy nook for relaxation, creating a peaceful retreat to unwind and recharge. The master bedroom features an attached toilet for added convenience. The second bedroom is inviting and versatile, perfect for guests, family, or a home office. It's well-sized with ample natural light and built-in storage options. The room features a calming color scheme and adaptable lighting, making it a cozy and functional space for any need. The living room is open and airy, designed for both comfort and versatility. It features ample natural light from large windows, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. With flexible seating arrangements and stylish decor, it's perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The space is well lit with adjustable lighting and thoughtfully ventilated, ensuring a pleasant environment for any occasion. The second kitchen-cum-dining area is a seamless blend of functionality and style. It features an open layout with plenty of counter space and modern appliances, making it easy to move. Attached is the washing machine area for comfort. This inviting third bedroom is filled with natural light and offers space for a queen-sized bed and wardrobe. It comes complete with an attached toilet, providing privacy and added convenience, making it a perfect retreat within the home. Step into the spacious fourth bedroom, designed with comfort in mind. This room features plenty of space for a king-sized bed and ample storage. The attached toilet ensures privacy and convenience, making it a perfect blend of style and functionality. Enjoy direct access to the covered terrace, with a stairway featuring sleek steel handrails for a modern, safe touch. If you're interested in this 5 BHK luxury villa priced at 3.70 crores rupees, give us a call at 9600714704 to schedule a site visit. If you are interested in buying, selling, renting, or leasing real estate properties in and around Adyar, contact us today. Adyar Real Estate Agents offers comprehensive solutions from start to finish, ensuring your tasks are completed efficiently and cost-effectively. Reach out to Adyar Real Estate Agents at 9600714704.